am in London! Winter Wonderland. Let's go. Wow, now it feels real. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guess where I'm going? I'm going to Winter Wonderland, and so it's 6 a.m. in the morning. I slept at like 3:30 a.m. and then we left at like 5:50, 6 o'clock. I had to run till the station because my dear friend didn't stop for me. I mean, good thing because I couldn't collect the tickets from the ticket machine initially, and I had to run to the customer service for the tickets. And again, he sent me to the machine, and then I finally received the tickets just before, just before, just before, yeah, just before the train left. So we have to change like three trains, and I hope we don't miss any of them. Touch wood. That's my life update, guys. इतना भागना पड़ा मुझे कि आई रियलाइज कि 1:30 को मैंने डिनर किया था 1:30 a.m. इन द मॉर्निंग तो व्हाट कैन आई एक्सपेक्ट आई थॉट आई एम गोना प्यूक बट आई डिडंट प्यूक ओके सी यू सून अब मैं सोना चाहती हूँ बहुत नींद आ रहा है बट सो नहीं सकती देखते हैं क्या होता है We reached. The thing I used to see in the reel that you have to stand on the right side of the escalator was like right. Everything felt like realish today. I was living a.
College Hospital. The Piccadilly line is operating.
I am in London! Winter Wonderland. I was just sleeping in the other two trains. I wish I could sleep more, but I cannot. But let's go! कोई मुझे वो स्टफ टॉय जीत के दो. I'm very bad at games. Can somebody win that for me? Guys, देखो हम आ गए. Guys, we are doing real life slide, and that is our first slide right now, and it looks like that. कोई आया भी हो?
Real life slide.
Let's go! Let's do it! Firstly, I want to say how I feel. I feel so happy that I'm in London. But see, half of the population I see is Indians. I feel like I've come to like a mini India. nice. And I want a stuffed toy, but I'm asking my friend to play the game for me, but he's like, if I'm gonna win the game, I'm gonna keep the stuffed toy by myself. I want the stuffed toy, but he says no. But I want the stuffed toy. Ah, and I'm terrible at games, like terrible. But I'm excited for the ice slide. Real ice slide. Will I be able to vlog while I'm doing that? No, I don't think so. But let's see. I'm happy to be here. I slept like a log in the train. Like every like few minutes, I just like I used to just get up to see if my friend left me all alone. Every single time he's like, you know what? This is after you get down from the train, you have to get this line and you have to get this station. This is where you have to get down. If in case you get lost and I am not there, I'm like, why are you? So I was like, you're basically telling me that you're gonna ditch me all alone here. But apparently we ended up together in Winter Wonderland. Yes. Ta-da. I saw some random people, but okay, who cares? Bye. Also, I thought क्या ये ठंड होगा, but it's like really cold. कितना है temperature? Temperature 6 degrees. I thought I would, just wear this turtleneck, but I don't even want to remove my jacket. It's cold. Yeah, it's cold, and I'm gonna do real ice skate. Sorry, real ice slide. I can't believe I'm gonna do real ice slide now, even though it's so cold. But it's okay. We're gonna do it. Okay, you can click pictures here, but I don't know. What if they say that you click your picture here and you collect it, bro, and then you have to collect it, giving them like £6, £5 to just collect that. Oh my god, that's a scam. I wore my helmet ulta. Firstly, खून आ रहा है. Hi guys. Firstly, I wore my helmet ulta. Secondly, we're going.
लिपस्टिक है
दिख रहा है खून है वो.
लिपस्टिक बोल रहा है
Okay, basically you get your pictures you have clicked in the code they've given you. Yeah. So it's not a scam, guys. So the look so pretty. Guys, it was my first time trying churros. Amazing. Amazing.
वो कौन है ये इसके साथी है इसके फ्रेंड्स ही है
Hi guys! अभी ये करेंगे हम. Right. I've never done this, but I'm doing this for the first time. I don't know how to drive a car, but yeah. Let's go. Hi guys, I just finished my last, not last, I just finished a roller coaster ride, and I feel like that's gonna be my last ride in Winter Wonderland this year. I have no himmat, have no energy for the other rides. I shouldn't have eaten food. I don't know if it's the food or whatever. I don't feel good now. So I'm gonna enjoy looking at the other rides now. That's my daily update. And look at the chips. Like, wait, let me show. They are like so long and they're so nice. I haven't had it yet, but I want to have it. But not. I don't want to have it after the roller coaster ride. So yeah.
Come and try the Big Prize Shooting Game.
I want this brown stuffed toy. Somebody give me that. Whoa! This is the last final ride, guys. I gathered courage to do this. I hope I come back alive. I don't know.
आप के लिए तो ठीक है वहाँ जाइए पता लग रहा है ऐसा ही बना पड़ा है तेरे को काटता है
ये देखो गाइस, hi guys, I just finished the ride and I made it out alive. I'm alive. And that one you see was the best ride ever. Amazing. Like, oh my god. I love it. And that was Winter Wonderland. I think we have done 3 to 4 rides and I loved it. And you know what? I won a stuffed toy. I'm gonna show it to you soon. I didn't win it, but my friend, he won, and I got the stuffed toy. I am so happy. These are London Christmas decorations which changes every year. Hi guys, now let's talk about how I feel right now. Firstly, it was a very long journey and I slept like a log and all the trains basically. And then secondly, we lost our train tickets. We had to buy it again. And then look what I bought. This is a fridge magnet and this is also a fridge magnet. I bought both of them from from Winter Wonderland. Aren't they so nice? I'll keep one for myself and I'll give one for my best friend or my family. So this is something I bought, and there was this amazing, like it was so nice. There were like so many pocket watches. They were so nice. Like I didn't have time to each one of them were so pretty, so nice that I needed more time to choose between them, and secondly I didn't have any time to look at it. because I was busy choosing what to ride. And then I always wanted a stuffed toy, and ta-da! As you know, in the video, I showed you that the one I wanted, but we couldn't get it because, although I didn't, win the game, it was my friend who won the game, and we were a group of like 6, and then three of us got the stuffed toys. Thanks to my friend, I got a stuffed toy. Isn't it so cute? I love it. I love stuffed toys. So like back in India when I was doing my UG, so where after I finished my UG, like I ended up like coming back home with like 6 stuffed toys. Most of them were like presents by my friends and family. Not family, friends. So I love stuffed toys. And then after our train got delayed for like 30 minutes, and then you know what, I was sleeping in the waiting area, in the while waiting for the train, and my friend woke me up when the train like came, and he's like, "You were snoring." I'm like, I don't usually snore, but I was so exhausted. I walked like 20,000 steps, and my legs couldn't bear anything. Every single second I've been running to catch trains, like literally. Like I slept at 3:30 in the morning, and then I woke up at like 5 o'clock in the morning, and then I ran to the Lime Street Liverpool train station. Like I had my dinner at like 1:30 a.m. in the morning. I thought I'm gonna puke in the very morning. Like what the fuck, bro? I ran. I kept on running the whole day. Oh my god, like you catch a train, and then you get some sleep, and then you're rushing, you're running to the other platform for to get the train. It was so exhausting. Firstly, the other part is I had fun with all the rides, in Winter Wonderland, but this traveling is the worst part. Oh my god. Ugh. and then and then after we finally made it to Liverpool, like back to Liverpool at like 10:30 p.m. in the night, and I was so done. My legs gave up, my body gave up. I cannot walk anymore, and I'm not gonna run this time. Like, why would I fucking run again? No, I cannot. I'm like, let's take a cab. I don't know. And I was starving to death because I didn't have a meal the whole day, and I was starving. And then we went to a place where we had paneer fried rice. Oof, I ate like, I don't know, the way you should have seen me, the way I was eating. My God, if you would see me eating like that, you would you would feel like she hasn't been eating for like ages. But it was just like half a day or a day, and oh my God, that was crazy. But that was really delicious. Like, oh my, I love it. I love it. Uh, and then after I had that meal, after I finished the meal, I had all the energy in the world to walk back home. And yes, I walked back home. And you know what? Like, while getting a tube to Winter Wonderland, I don't know, Hyde Park, I guess. My God, while coming back, it was literally like people are just like pushing you inside the tube. There's no space for one more person to stand. It felt like I am in Bangalore Majestic Metro Station. When that too during the peak hours, where people just push you like, I don't know what to say. They just like push you in. because you need to get into the tube, and it literally reminded me of Majestic Metro Station in Bangalore. Nice. Wow. And yeah. So there, and then we went to watch this Christmas lights. The one I had been, I kept on seeing that on reels, and I finally got to see that. And then it was like really nice. But I apparently heard that this time it wasn't that better than the other themes they had before. But either ways, it's my first time in London watching Christmas lights. It was pretty good. And yes, so that was my day. So it like changing trains was the exhausting part, and the highlight of my day was Winter Wonderland. And the rides I took was amazing. I loved it. And thank you so much for listening to us. And do like, share, and subscribe. And I know you would do that for me. But yes, I'll see you soon. Bye.